Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishwa Saital. I hope you all are doing fine. Let's solve today's problem for Leetcode. The problem name is count odd numbers in an interval range. Okay, so it's a very easy problem. Let's give a like. Problem is saying given two non-negative integers, which is low and high. Okay, return the count of odd number between low and high inclusive. So we have to add low and high including. Okay. So here we are given here interval starting from 3 till 7. So we are given here starting from 3 and 7. So what do we have to print? We have to print all the odd number between them. So if you use for loop, see, so we will get here 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so if we use a for loop, so all these all are odd number, and what we have to do, we have to return the count. So here we have count of 3 and I have to include 3 and 7 because they told it is inclusive. I hope I'm clear here. So we understood the problem. So what we have to do, we have to return 3 here. So let's see if we do this for loop, it will be a good approach or not approach. So if I say count equal to 0 and for int I equal to 0, I should be less, no, I should start from low till high equal to high, and I plus plus. What I have to do, I have to just see if it is odd or not. So I will use if condition. If I is not divisible by 2, so it will return 1. Then do one thing, increase the count value. Okay, and after that I will just return the count. Let's run this problem. Do we get any error? So it is getting run, but let's submit and see what is the problem here. So here we are getting time limit exceed. To counter that, we have another approach. See here. Let's assume. So let's write the interval what all we have. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have 17. So what we are taking here? We are taking alternating number. We are taking 3, then 5, then 7. We are taking alternating number. Let's assume they have another range from 1 till 8. Okay, so we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we are doing, we are taking alternative numbers here. Let's see, we are taking 1 and we are leaving 2 here, and we are getting 3. We are leaving 4 here, we are getting 5, and we are leaving here, we are getting 7. So what we can say here, what we will do here, we will say we have to include both the number also. So what is the formula here to get all the numbers in this between? So 8 minus 1, so 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7, and we have to include 8 also. So what we will do, plus 1. So how many numbers are there here? We have 8 numbers. Do we get here 8 number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we are getting 8 numbers. So what we have to do, we have to return here. What do we have to return? We have to return all odd numbers. So what we'll do, we will just divide it by 2. So what we are getting, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5 and 7. We are getting here 4. Okay, so this is one approach. So what we'll do, we'll just code this and we will see there's a limitation for this also, edge case. So we will just solve that also. If so, what we'll do, first int total will be equal to how much? High minus low. This is high, this is low. And then what we do, we have to add 1 here. So high minus low plus 1. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to see if the total is here, odd, if total is here even, then what we have to do, see here it was 8, So in some cases, if I have 1 till 7, just assume I have 1 till 7. Okay, this is the edge case for this one. So let's assume we have 1 till 7. So what is the here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the total here? We are getting here 7 as a total, and if we divide by 2, what is the answer here? The answer will come to 3. So but we have to get 4 here. So what from 4? 1, 3, 5 and 7. So what I am saying here, if it is an even number, I will just return directly total divided by 2. So if total is is an even number equal to 0, then do one thing, just return total divided by 2. If that's the not case, then what we have to do here? So we have to check the starting range is here even or odd. So let's assume here. So if we have 1 and 8 here, so if we start from let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're taking 1 and 7 here. Let's take 1 and 7 here. So we have done for 1 and 8. We have completed 1 and 8. We will do for 1 and 7 here. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what is the total number here? Total number is 7, and we are getting here what we are getting? If we do divide by 2, we are getting here 3. Let's assume I start it from 2 till 7. If I start from 2 to 7, so what is the range here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what is the odd number here? We have 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so here the answer will be equal to 3. So I have to just check if first digit is odd or even. Okay, if the first digit is odd, then I have to return total divided by 2 plus 1. Total divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, if low is odd, so we can say 1, then do one thing, return total divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, else if that's not case, then do just return this guy. So let's run this problem, and let's see if it is getting compiled. Yes, and we are getting the answer what we accepted. Let's submit and see if the time error will come or not. Here in this case, the time error is not coming and is beating 100% and 80% space memory. I hope I'm clear with this approach. If you have any doubt regarding this approach, please do comment. I will surely help you. And if you like this video, please do give a like. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing. It will be great help for me. And thank you for watching. Keep coding. Bye.